Opening up for Payroll about to be a breeze.
Come on, I need y'all, come on. Yeah,
must be something now, like, cause you niggas can't stop eyeballing when they see me. I'm just grinding like a motherfucker, man, with a plan, can't let a nigga beat me. Must be something now, like, cause you niggas can't stop eyeballing when they see me. I'm just grinding like a motherfucker, man, with a plan, can't let a nigga beat me. Good damn, it's a good day to pay up. Eating on the job, little nigga, we don't take lunch. Good streams doing numbers like it's Netflix. Good dreams, so I come up on the next ridge. I'm from the city, get a chicken nigga best quick. Residual rolls hitting the hardest of a tech hit. Knocking out a checklist, I can buy the necklace. With one trip to my brother down to Texas. Vintage Cartier frames, you ain't never view. They say you got a pair for the low, then you sell a fruit. In Toledo with my people, French fella coops. Got a line in the O like the letter Q. Whole team in the game, cause I coach well. I made everybody a boss, fucking coattail. For some cool grades. Here comes across the Atlas, it's the truest bay. From Detroit, baby, off to Los Angeles, Indianapolis. I got clients out in Maryland. I'm scrambling the real shit. We was scrambling. This ain't amateurs, we gon' take it national. To my niggas, dog, I'm only one call away. Fuck the clout, knock the lays, we can off the pain. You can tell it truth fade from a mile away. Nice lined up, bling blinging off the Cartier. Dancing in the stitches, passing all you bitches. 18, 325, what's the nickels? Still got the birds flying out the parking lot. You want the truth, man? Come to Juice Barbershop. Ball hard, live life, get money. Put the chain in the air, cause it's sunny. 2 appointments in the morning, keep cutting till my niggas on the ground right now, keep cutting. Ball hard, live life, get money. Put the chain in the air, cause it's sunny. 2 appointments in the morning, keep cutting till my niggas on the ground right now, keep cutting.
What up, though? I wanna thank y'all for listening to my shit.
Let's go, y'all. I need y'all to clap it up with me one time.
I gotta do it.
Let's go, Dave, y'all. But they can't. Get the shit off that bank with you, nigga. Y'all know where I hang here. Walking through the airport with a butter. Hey, y'all been going to my nigga Lil Blade in the building right now. Hey, Blade. Hey, Marathon. How you feeling? Before you do what you do. You can take it to the limit. You can be a 5-star. Don't lie, put the dog a bitch crispy on the jogging fit. I just want the head from
Can't wait to do this shit